My name is Shannon Burford. I'm Managing Director of Paradise Motorhomes. Paradise Motorhomes are manufacturers of top-end motorhomes. We're based in the Gold Coast in Queensland. Also have a wholly owned showroom and service centre in Sydney. We've been in business for 16 years. I've been with the company for 3 years now. Since we've taken over at Paradise, we've introduced a range of new production processes. With the previous owners leaving the company, we were actually faced with a fantastic problem whereby a lot of new ideas came through the fact that we've given a voice to the manufacturing staff. The manufacturing staff take a lot more ownership for the delivery of a vehicle, and we've introduced significant new quality assurance processes whereby there's a quality assurance team checking vehicles between stages and on completion. These sort of improvements and additions to the production process have enabled us to improve the product and highlight how we are going to take on that market share down the track. The body of the motorhome and the adherence to safety has always been a hallmark of the company. We deliver a motorhome which is by far the safest vehicle in the market based on our designs. We manufacture to the highest standard in Australia as far as compliance safety regulations. After a fair bit of work, we've recently become accredited with RV Maps. It holds its standards higher than the government requirements in order to ensure the safety on the roads. The process of actually achieving the accreditation was relatively painless. We have a focus on large slide-outs for our motorhomes. The slide-out itself is built through the frame of the motorhome. The design and structure of the slide-out actually provides additional support and structural integrity to the motorhome. It is a feature that allows us to provide great stability within the motorhome and also a greater amount of internal space with the slide-out. As far as customisation goes in Paradise Motorhome, we have taken on some fairly significant new projects that have been driven by customers. We will look at and try and deliver anything that's put in front of us. We do have the ability, the skill and the know-how to design and manufacture vehicles on spec. By the time people move up to a Paradise Motorhome, they have very specific needs and requirements. They know how they like to live on the road. And most importantly also, the people decide how much water they need, what sort of toilet system they would like. So all of these sort of small adjustments just go to making sure that the motorhome is exactly what they're after and exactly what they've been, most importantly, working up to. We are just about to deliver our 700th motorhome, which is a great achievement for us. We have gone from strength to strength. We have probably surprised a lot of people in the industry in our ability to recover the business and move forward. The 700 is a great number. Every single one of them that we get out the door is a great number for me. In the future, Paradise Motorhomes hopes to significantly increase our market share. There is always a huge amount of interest in our motorhomes. The price tag is not for everyone because we do take a lot of care to manufacture our motorhomes. We've basically introduced a range of vehicles now which are at a lower price point to be able to deliver that quality and build specification and the Paradise look that everyone loves to a wider market. They are the prettiest motorhomes on the market.